Find yourself scrolling videos and waste your time if you do something productive. Then you click on Write Video. So I am going to share you 5 girly DIYs that are easy, cute, and low cost. Let's start this video. These are 3 ideas I inspired to make it. For this DIY, you'll need a plain hairband, pearls, ribbon, crystal beads, and glue. Start by applying a small amount of glue to the to-cover hairband with ribbon. Then carefully place the pearls and crystal in fish wire 1 by 1 and complete the string. Continue until the entire hairband is covered with pearls and crystal beads, then secure it with fish wire. Then tie it on both ends and secure with thin white ribbon. Then take a thin wire or strong thread, silver or golden, and pass 1 by 1 from pearl and crystals till the end of hairband. At both ends, tie the knot. I used black cloth in both ends to protect ears from scratch, through hairband, and easy to wear and feel comfortable. And that's it. Our beautiful pearl hairband is ready. It looks so stylish and perfect for any outfit and looks expensive but costs nothing.
Wow.
Let's make some handmade bangles. These are 3 ideas that inspire me. I used old bangles to make it 0 cost. I used all those items that is available at my home. You also used plain or old bangles that is available to you. You used pearls, beads, thread, rhinestone and embroidery thread, or also embroidery on it for decoration. Apply glue and wrap bangles with thread or ribbon and lets it dry. Apply glue carefully and attach the decorations. Rhinestones and golden thread around the bangle. You decorate it with pearls, beads, rhinestones, stones, stars, and other decorative items as you needed to make it beautiful. Then allow it to dry completely and match your any outfit these bangles wear in any occasion or festival, and easily make at home that is budget friendly too. That cinematic shots look so beautiful. The finished bangle looks so beautiful and unique and match your any outfit. Finally, let's create handmade earrings at home. These are the ideas that match with our outfit. You'll need earring hooks, thread and piece of cloth, and needle too. Took an inch tape to measure a length of cloth and then cut with scissor. Sew the strip of cloth and flip it with safety pin. This is very easy method. Then hoop earrings cover with strip of cloth and then it form a scrunchie design. Sew both ends of earring hoop. And there we have it. Cute. Handmade earrings that perfectly make on any outfit and make from old hoops and waste cloth. It's a 0 cost DIY and easily make at home and free of cost. Now let's make a pearl bracelet. This bracelet ideas gives me aesthetic and Pinteresty vibes, so dye it. Take some pearls, drop shape crystal and jewelry wire. Shape a wire into round circle and apply glue in one end and attach drop shape crystal to one side end of wire. Add pearls and attach crystal to the other end and close the bracelet. Shape and style pearl bracelet according to wrist and trend. These are cute cinematic shots, wow. Look how pretty and classy this bracelet looks. It's simple but so elegant. Next, we're making cute handmade beads rings. These are 3 ideas that inspire me to make this. Let's start this video. Take a fish wire, seed beads, and multicolor crystal beads. You make rings with pearls, seed beads, wire, elastic thread, or many more, it's up to you. Add 2 white seed beads, then 1 crystal beads. Then repeat this process according to your finger size. Then tie the ends together with a strong knot. You can make different sizes and styles. These rings are adorable and perfect for matching and looks cute and easy to make. These are some cinematic shots. It looks so cool, cute, classy, and girly. You easily make all these DIYs at home in low budget and feel classy and elegant. All ideas are very easy to make. Hope you enjoyed my video. This is very helpful to you. Suggest me next video idea. Which DIY was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY and craft ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.